In this video, we're going to make a copy of an existing column set. And we're going to do this for the purposes of a new forecast. So the first thing inside Prospero, we will go to our existing list of columns. So on the left-hand side, I'll see the option for columns. Click that once. At the top left of this panel, I'll find the column that I want to copy, the column set definition. And I am going to copy one from our list of input definitions, the forecast. I'll just right click and there's an option about halfway down for copy. Now when I click copy, this will ask me for the name of this new definition. So I am going to make a new forecast copy for Q1. This will make an exact copy of this definition. Everything is the same as that first column set. I will leave most of this like it is because this column set currently has row segment ID in column A, row definition descriptions in column B. Then we have the columns for actuals, which we would need for a forecasted column set. And then after I get past all the monthly actual columns, I come to our forecast columns. And right now, this is using a book code just named forecast, which may be all you need for your forecast back at your office. But for this example, we have a book code for our forecast for Q1, Q2, and Q3. So all three of those are maintained strictly separately. And we can always refer from one to the other. That way we do not lose the first one for Q1 when we make updates for Q2. Not every client needs that situation, but some do. So the first thing I'll do is in my first column for the forecast book code, I will select the lookup window and I will select forecast Q1. Now I just want to copy this across the columns here to all the ones to the right that have forecast listed as the book code. And I'm just going to click the shift key on the keyboard and the right arrow key on the keyboard until I have all 12 of these highlighted. Once those are all highlighted, I will use on the keyboard Control R, and that will copy that first field, forecast underscore Q1, to every column to the right that I had highlighted. Everything else here will stay the same. If I scroll to the right, that will not affect any of our other columns or calculations. I will save these changes. And I have now made a copy of that first original column set we started with. And again, that was an easy process. The changes, all those depend on what you need for your input screens or for your reports. The big thing about making a copy of a column set definition is on the left-hand side, go to columns, find the column set that you want to start with, right-click on that definition, and select copy. All right, thank you for joining me. Come back for the next video.